Arsenal tam lawan lencap ke kelam COVID-19 haga negeri India bad ka perthai hibar okawai. Kabelak ta alot ikarukom im jongki beriau naduk ki kam ki jam bat kam tam ka pulih putih jongki kena bat ki samla. Nalor ke jing pulih hakini ki sngi bamenta ki kamela kai sports ru ki skul ki dei ki bakong san bha haga benta jong ke jing pulih. Ya ke bamenta la Arsenal ki kena ikladuk bania shim benta. Hendrai hagane ke senam arhajar arpuar ke weni giskul hagane ke nong ba shlong kalayok ban penlong biang ya ke lumpung ilakai sports haki arsni. Hadian balakam kenja ke kelam COVID-19. Ke skul ke benengkong ke jela ban penlong ya ke annual school sports ke de St. Edmunds School Shillong ke balayok ban penlong ya ke lumpung ya ke sports ke ba arsni. Na ke bentagi kena ke bapulih ke Kerdan Middle School ke bah ke kelas 5, 6 bat 7. Ke bele shim bentah ke jingil ke bele penlong ha ke kat arterik mentau yayong arhajar arpuar. Na kebentaki kena ke bapulih ke kelas 8, 9 bat 10 ya ke jing Yakob la penlong ha ke kat lai terik mentau yayong arhajar arpuar. Ya ke jing Yakob na kebentaki kena ke bapulih ke middle school la pli perda do principal jogani ke school u brother Solomon Morris bat akini ke sengi la sedang naga march pass. Ha ke balai shim benta dagi kenhuan boper na barok lai teligi kelas. Hadin kania la penbuat pat sekiwei pat ke jing Yakob pakentup na ke jing shim benta na gini lai teligi kelas. Ki pakentup ya ke jing mare thong ha ke jing jengai ke banyok san meter, shis pa meter, ars pa meter, saus pa meter ke relay 4 into 50 meter bat ke relay 4 into 100 meters. Na ke jing Yakob mare la penlong ya ke cycle race bat ke march pass rukum jo. Ha ke jing Yakob na ke bentaki kena ke bapulih ke kelas 8, 9 bat 10 kadai ha ke jing Yakob mare thong ha ke jing jengai ke ba shis pa meter, ars pa meter, saus pa meter, pras pa meter bat syajar sans pa meter. Bakentup ru ke relay ke bajengai 4 into 100 meters. Ha ke jingalang Sam Khusnam ha ke sengi ke beningkong laidon rengkat ru ke director jong ketenat sports and youth affairs ke jela ikong W Booth rengkat bat ubak serpai Karluki kum usumbut kongsan. Kat baha ke jingalang Sam Khusnam ha ke sengi ke baar pat laidon lang u principal jong ke St. Edmunds College ubak Sylvanus Lamare kum kongsan kat baha ke puja Junjun Wala kelalong ke sembut kongsan.
Well, you are having this sports day after 2 years. And we can see the effect of the lockdown on you. And it is good that the school has come up with this to release the tension that is lying within you.
seems all your hopes and dreams are a million miles away. I will reassure you, we've got to all stick together, good friends there for each other. Never ever forget that I got you and you got me.
Reach for the sun, climb every mountain higher. Reach for the sun, follow your heart's desire. Reach for the sun, and when that rainbow's shining over you, that's when your dreams will all come true.
There's a place waiting just for you. It's a special place where your dreams all come true. Fly away, swim the ocean blue, drive that open road, leave the past behind you. Don't stop, you gotta keep moving. Your hopes you gotta keep building. Never ever forget that I got you and you got me.
Reach for the sun, climb every mountain higher. Reach for the sun, follow your heart's desire. Reach for the sun, and when that rainbow's shining over you, that's when your dreams will all come true.
Don't believe in all that you've been told. Sky's the limit, you can reach your goal. No one knows just what the future holds. There ain't nothing you can be. There's a whole world out your feet.